Well, I got everything mowed yesterday on Saturday. So today, I'm going to work on getting all this wood cut up for the bonfire party. This stuff I cut down not that long ago. But it's already dead, and anyway. And it's all dried up. I already got that filled up. But I'm going to get this all cut up and see about getting it put in the box right there. And then I got to work on this over here, because this is all wood too, and all the weeds are growing up over it. And I think I got woodchucks living in there. It needs to get cleaned up. But I'm getting ready to get all this cut up, quite a bit of it today, because it won't take me that long really. Get some of these weeds knocked down. There's the corn. Starting to get its tassels, as you can see. The deer roam around right in the front here. I've seen them when I come home from work at night. Getting their tops. I think those might be seeds. Or pollen or something. But alright, you guys, everybody have a great Sunday. Talk to you later. Bye.